What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited for today. We're finally going to go to an event. Probably the only unfortunate thing is the simple fact that it's raining, as you can see behind me. The rain's supposed to get worse, which means I'm not bringing turbo. Because it doesn't have a engine lid, I don't want to risk getting the electronics soaked and then possibly short-circuiting something, because that would be a nightmare. Luckily though, I have my old trusty steed Layla. Everything on this car is absolutely ready. She's packed and everything. I got the trunk packed, got the helmet. So I am curious though to see how today's gonna go. Because of all the restrictions, it essentially sounds like I'm gonna show up, register, walk the course, and then like have to sit in my car, assuming I interpreted things right, because they're being pretty strict. Like, you have to have a mask or you cannot run. You have to bring your own pen, and I get what they're doing, but I just don't know how it's going to go, because again, this is my first event since all of this pandemic stuff happened. Anyways, like I said, we're gonna just head on out, and we'll probably pick up right before my first run. First run done, and can never get a clean run. I think it's just like that mentality of just going 24/7, but feels good to be back. Well guys, I'm all done with those runs. I can tell you right now, I did not get one single clean run, but I don't care. My goal today was honestly just to go out there, thrash the car, and that's exactly what I did. Did everything wrong, but I had a lot of fun. I don't, like I said, I did not have one clean run in terms of I hit a cone every run, and I got that back end out, so that was a success. One downside though is, as I parked the car back in the pits, I noticed that it was smoking a little bit. The smoke's pretty much dissipated at this point, but it was coming from the backside of the engine there. I'm thinking that, well, there's two things. I did not clean all the oil off after I replaced the oil seals. So that could be one problem. The other thing is it's possible that the oil pan's leaking. So we'll see. I am so tired. So like physically, mentally, it just, I feel, I don't even know how to put it, man. It's been about 5 months since I did an event last. So I'm just happy to be out here driving. Next time though, we're definitely going to bring turbo, as long as it doesn't rain. I did get lucky this morning though. So it rained in the morning when I was working and helping with the coursework. Afternoon, completely dry and everything. So I got very, very lucky there. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video.